Hello YouTube, hello guys. Okay, let's go get started into the video. Okay, what do I start with? I start with primer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. Just put one dot on your forehead, one dot on your cheeks, one dot right there. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I use my hands to apply this because it's easier and it makes my skin smooth. I love my skin right now, guys. Oh my god, this is so sticky. Oh, it just feels, oh, my skin feels soft. And don't forget to apply on your neck a little bit. Next, I use my color corrector. Yeah, I use the green one because it works for me better than the orange one. Right there. For this one, I only put it on my dark spots, like this pimple right here. I have another one, so I use this one under my eyes too because it's kind of dark. Look, guys. Oh, this is so funny. I'm gonna go ahead and blend. Next, what do? I use this stick. It's I think it's contouring, but I use it before I put my foundation on because it makes my skin, it makes my face just exactly how I want it. Smooth, beautiful. It works for me. You can try it, might work for you too. You see that, guys? It's exactly my skin tone. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this under my eyes. I don't know if you can see that. You see there is a difference between this and that. Well, and yes, I applied this stick on the same spots where I applied my color corrector because I don't want that, you know. My foundation is really good, but I'll try my best for you, 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 for you. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in again. And here comes my favorite part. I'm gonna apply my foundation on. Favorite part, I don't know if I should use the Bare Pro Makeup foundation from Sephora. Focus, 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 focus. Oh, this is pretty cheap, but I love it. I love it. It just matches my skin tone. I don't know how to read this, y'all, but I see Pro Glow whatever, or that one. So let's go ahead and apply our foundation. One dot, one dot, oops, one dot. Ooh, 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 that's a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and get my foundation brush. It's a flat brush. It looks dirty, y'all. It looks so dirty. And apply my foundation on my skin. Oh my gosh, I love this foundation. I don't know if you can see that. It's so good. Do you guys see that? Ooh. Here I go a little bit on my forehead in my hair, because normally when I'm doing my baby hairs I bring them right in front on my forehead. I don't know why I do that, but anyways, I think everybody does that when you're doing your baby hair, when you want to slay, you know, you want to slay. Don't forget your R's. You see that, guys? I love this foundation. It's so beautiful. Makes me feel pretty, beautiful. I don't know if you can still see that pimple there, because in my mirror I can still see it, and I had it. I'll be like, ew, why? I don't like seeing pimples on my face. Next step, I'm gonna be using my contour. It says edge rewind, Novo Instant something. Well, I just love it, so I just use it. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. That's the contouring I use. It's just my color. This is Golden Dough. It's I think for chocolate girls, you know, and guys. I love this so much. Look what I did. I don't know what I'm doing. Why am I putting everything on my hands and I don't have anything to use? I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my under eyes, on my nose a little bit, on my forehead, and on my chin. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in. I'm gonna be using this brush. I don't know if it's gonna work perfect because I never use it. I don't see my brush, the one I normally use. That's the brush I'm gonna be using. I don't know. Hope it does a good job like the other one. When you're using a brush to contour your face, you don't do not do like you have to tap it a little bit while blending it in, because if you do that, honey, it's not gonna come out like you want it. Just tap it a little bit, glow, and slay. Don't forget to slay. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and set my contouring and set my face. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and let's go next. Me personally, I use two colors to set my face because I'm chocolate girl, so I'm gonna use yellow and brown. This is the one I start with. This one I use it on only the areas that I put my contour, like my concealer, I mean. I'm sorry. Where I put my concealers. And this one I use it on my half face. This is brown. I don't know the color. Yo, I don't know how to read colors, but anyways, I'ma show you. This, I don't know if you can see that. It's super dirty. This is the brown one. I'm gonna show you the yellow one because I don't know the color, but what I know it's yellow and it's from Kids Rap Pro. I don't know, Bear Pro, Rap Pro, whatever. I don't know how they say it. And hello again. This is so dirty, don't judge. This is my beauty blender that I use to set my face just on my under eyes where I put my concealer, and I use a brush to set my whole face. Feel me? Let's go ahead and apply that. How do I use this? I'm gonna show you. Wait. This is pretty hard for me. I just dab it inside in the powder. Oh, I'm started dropping everything. Really, I was picking this. You're not gonna believe what happened. I'm gonna just put it on here. And dab it on your hand because you don't want too much product on your face. You don't want to be cakey. And dab it just a little bit. Don't be hard on your face. This is your face, honey. If you be hard, you're gonna hurt yourself. Now the next part, I'm gonna be going with my brown powder just to set my whole face. Yes, just like I said, put a little bit on your cover. I don't know how they call this. Put a little bit on there. Get your little brush, the one that got no product on. Oh, you can wash it or wipe it with any wipe or makeup wipe. Mine is used a little bit, but I use it for only that. This is the brush I'm gonna be using. It's flat and it's for only that. Put a little bit on your brush. Don't put all of it on your face. You gotta do that. Yep, my face is all set. I love this one. Contour kit. It's by Kiss too. From Kiss. It's a little bit dirty, but it's okay. I love it. It's almost done. I don't know how I'm gonna get another one. You can tell how I love this. You see, I'm almost out of it. I'm gonna be using this brush, and I'm gonna take this color, mix it with this one. Do you see that, guys? I am. Put a little bit on your forehead. Don't go too crazy with this. Apply a little bit. Oh, I'm sorry. I had to do my eyebrow, my eyes off camera because my camera was gonna die. But I don't really like my eyes, but I tried because I don't know why I messed up on my eyes. But anyway, I wanted to show you the highlighting and my lips and the way I finish my makeup, and then we're gonna be done. Alright, today I didn't apply lashes, fake lashes. I used mine. Alright, I'm gonna now for the highlighter I use Fenty Beauty highlighters, and these are the colors I use. I don't know how they call them, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply my highlighter. I'm gonna take this one right here. I'm gonna mix a little bit with this, just a little bit, just a little bit. We don't want it to be too much. And I put it on my cheekbones. You have to let yourself glow, if you know what I'm saying. Normally I put some on my bones. I have to try this thing, the body stuff for the body and stuff, because I love it. And boom, then lipstick. I'm gonna do matte pink nude lipstick, and I'm gonna be using this lip gloss. It's the clear one, because I like using clear lip gloss. It's better. I love it when it's clear. I don't like the do y'all see that? Oh my god! We go back to that and apply this just a little bit on top of that. And boom, there, you got it. Look. Lastly, I use Milani finishing spray. Spray your face, honey. Spray your face. You wanna look. Only. Okay, close your eyes. And my last part I wanted to show you guys is this. I already have my little bunny. Let me show you guys. Zoom. I already have my little bunny. Let's go back a little bit. I'm gonna show you how I put this. I already have my little bunnies like I showed you. And I'm gonna put this in the back. And yeah, that's my video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and yep, I'm gonna show you the pictures later on my camera. Bye. Love you.